Hello and welcome. This is Caravan Salon, the largest motorhome event in the world. Le Voyageur 7.0 GJF. This vehicle here will cost €128,000. Let's have a look inside. Right, first thing, it's got a double floor. See that very clearly. Okay, French brand. This was top of the range for Pilot. It's a Pilot company. Now I think Frankia is more of the top of the range. What do you notice about this here? Stacks of space. That's what I notice anyway. It'd even be more if this curtain here were closed. So a lot of space around and bright colours. Unusual way of doing the storage. Look at that, it's there, and suddenly it disappears. I wonder why it disappears on this side. Any ideas? Because I haven't got any. Right, let's come to the very back. We see you've got a ledge there, and you've got a sort of a different one in there. Can't explain any of that. Let's see if I can open this up. That opens up without any problems. This is relatively deep inside. Now, German layout here. So somewhere there'll be something so we can fit down here to make a bigger bed. Steps up with storage inside. Here this will no doubt open. Opens up like that, and this will open up like that. Look at that, brilliantly large wardrobe in there. Now on the other side, coming around here, we've got note also something similar. And this, oh, I know this will lift up. At least I think it'll lift up. Maybe it doesn't. Sorry, it doesn't lift up. And so we've got their storage here. Now this is very Pilot-ish, and we've got a toilet in here which will move in and out. I've got a feeling though that is not a good idea, and I'm going to show you why I don't think it's a good idea. Unfortunately, Pilot has not been very successful in getting their toilets to work correctly. So if I just push this in, I can see already that there's a problem. And that is that's what I'm. At least it's got itself blocked this side and not in there. But why should it have to move in and out? With a vehicle of this size, you've got plenty of space anyway. Here's the sink. Where's the sink? Here's the sink. The sink comes out. Unfortunately, the sink's been blocked as well. The problem here, of course, is that people come in here and haven't got a clue what they're doing, such as me. And that is what breaks things. Look how big I am, and look how much space there is around me. So I really think that toilet there is a complete misunderstanding. Here to the door, we've got a nice sliding door, slides backwards and forwards. I like a sliding door like that. That is for the shower, because outside it's got a normal door like that. Right, two burners in the kitchen, spaced far apart. Nice deep sink. Here below, storage. Sorry. Unusual place to put the catch. And if I come to the front here, we can see we have a bed which will drop down over the extremely spacious lounge. This table will move, and of course it's double the size. There you go. Shows how big the table is. In fact, you can't say how big the table is. Here we haven't got a door on the driver's side. My opinion of this has changed over the previous year. When I was at Caravan Salon last year, I was arguing against a door on the driver's side, and now I'm arguing in favour. I have been persuaded that my earlier opinion was incorrect. But let's go on to my earlier opinion. I was thinking here largely of security. Better to just to control one door. And so, however, since been driving these things, I know that most people want the door there in any case. I've changed my mind. I found it's really convenient when I'm filling up with fuel, for example, and also it doesn't mean when I go out on that side, I've got a sort of a built-in step in the double floor, and so it's easier to get in and out rather than having to put the stairs on the door. Having said that, I usually don't put the stairs on the door anyway. I just jump in and out without doing that. That's the look down the vehicle. From this angle, it does look quite impressive. One thing I didn't show you is the fridge. There's a fair bit of storage. Let's have a look at the double floor. Really deep. That's really impressive. And as I come out, and going further. Oh, sorry, it's a bit sticky. There we go. So got some electrical stuff down there. Let's come to the back. Storage there. Big garage, super. There's the outdoor shower. You've got electricity, both 12 volt and 230. Lashing straps, very nice garage, and the rear end. Now let's have a look at some of the features from here. Right, so that's 128. Sorry, so I didn't see it properly. Price from, and so there you go. That's the price, 141,160. It's got these options which have been added to it. I'll just go through some of the things here. So it's 705 centimeters long. It felt much longer than that. Inner height 2 meters, plenty of space inside. Outside height 295. Yes, it certainly it looks that way. It's 455 kilos of payload if on a 3.5 ton basis, and I think that is that's quite positive. And there we've got the garage of 2,440 litres. You can see it's an enormous garage. Aldi heating. So from that, now I have to say it is what they say in German, a space wonder. So it's done well on that one. What I don't like at all is that toilet, and that it's always broken. Now, of course, I mean, people going in and sort of messing around with it, that's going to have a negative effect. But the pilot toilets do have this problem. The positive, there's lots and lots of space in this vehicle. So from that, I think is and it gives the impression it's even bigger than it really is. So I think that's something that I find a useful feature. So there you go. I've tried to put the good and the bad. The kitchen, I think there's a lot of space in it. Actually, there's an extension which I didn't show you as well for the worktop extension. Only 2 burners. That might be a problem for some people. I mean, it isn't for me, but it might be for others. No door on the driver's side. Last year that wasn't a problem for me. This year that wouldn't bother me that much. That wouldn't be a deal breaker. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. Lots more on this channel. Lots more vehicles to show you. Thanks for watching.